Hey guys, Todd from Vapor Honing Technologies. Today's subject, we're going to talk about our dry soda blasting and what we can actually remove with dry soda blasting. Dry soda blasting is a very non-abrasive form of blasting. It's used a lot in the auto industry, especially for people that are concerned about having media left behind on the product, because the soda will actually, if it's rinsed off, will actually evaporate and it's gone. So for light surface rust, corrosion, if the paint is loose, different carbon deposits, if they're light, sealants and adhesives can easily be removed. Some light oxidation on aluminum will also work really well with the dry soda blasting. If it's a question on whether or not it can handle it or not, that's something you can call your salesperson and ask. We'll be more than happy to walk you through the process and which ones will work best for you. We have multiple machines. Well, any machine we have can actually be done with dry soda. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call. My direct line is 828-220-4983. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.